Welcome back to the Fan Rail K channel, where I rail fan and travel back in time. Today we're going to be talking about the history of the R110B. The R110B was a prototype subway car built by Bombardier in 1989. They were part of the new experimental new technology trains of New York City subway cars. There were only 9 R110B cars for the New York City subway, which were numbered 3001 to 3009, and were connected 3-car sets instead of standalone cars. In 1993, the cars entered service on the New York City subway. But not for long. On November 4th, 1996, car 3006 exploded in a fire while it was in service on the A line. It resulted in cars 3007 through 3009 being taken out of service and dismantled for spare parts for car 3006. And in 2000, the R110Bs were completely taken out of service because of constant breakdowns and mechanical issues. During their time out of service, car 3001 was sent to College Point in Queens in 2014 for the NYPD to use as a training car. Cars 3004 and 3006 were sent to Coney Island Yard to replace older R30 car numbers 8392 and 8401. Car 3008 was transported over to Randall's Island to be used at the FDNY's training facility, and cars 3002, 3003, and 3009 were moved to 207th Street Yard in Upper Manhattan. However, it is unclear what the plans are for those car numbers. In February 2025, R110B car 3007 was restored and moved to the New York Transit Museum, where it is today, along with other older car models. Sitting there is a piece of history, glory, and nostalgia. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the history of the R110B subway cars. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you loved this video, subscribe to the channel so I can make more of these history videos and continue my chase to 1,000 subscribers. Stay safe out there and keep on rolling.